How to transfer money from SafePal to Cash App. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can transfer money from SafePal to Cash App. And this is how to go about it. The first step is to log in into your SafePal account by launching the application. And after launching the application, you'll be taken to your own page. Then you'll be asked to log in either using your fingerprint or by using your security password. You can use anyone, and then once you're logged in and you're brought to your own page, you can see the tabs available, the coin tab, NFT, DeFi, and all of that. Then the next step is for you to select the cryptocurrency that you'd want to transfer from your SafePal to your Cash App. So you have a number of cryptocurrencies here. So you can just go ahead and search out the one that you'd like to transfer. So I'll be doing that now. Alright, so if you cannot find the one, just check out the ones available and the one that you have, and then click on it. And after clicking on the cryptocurrency, you'll be taken to the cryptocurrencies page where you would see three options such as swap, receive, send. So go ahead and click on send. Then after clicking on send, and you're brought to the next page. Now the next page is for you to enter in the address, the destination address. That is your Cash App Bitcoin address. So once you've gotten it, paste it here. Alright, so after pasting it, scroll down, enter in the amounts that you'd like to send. Alright, and then once you've done that, scroll down and then click on next. By clicking on next, you'll be taken to the next stage. On this stage, you'll be asked to enter in your password in order to authorize the transaction. Then click on send and then wait for confirmation. The transaction would need to be confirmed on the blockchain, and it may take a while depending on the network congestion. And then once the confirmation is confirmed, go back to your Cash App balance to ensure that the funds have arrived and you are good to go. So that is how to go about it. It is very simple. So ensure you transfer that money today. Thank you for watching and have a good day.